When we arrived in Germany, the lovely Manu came and picked us up at night time and greeted us with hot apple juice, which was absolutely gorgeous as it was so cold. And the next morning we went off on a little sightseeing tour around some of the beautiful shops in the nearby German town. It's such a beautiful place, and it was funny where we went because we were right on the corner of both Belgium, Holland and Germany. So we got to see all three in such a short space of time.
That makes it. That's the hit. This lady.
The reason we were here in the first place was because many years ago I met Annie on a felting workshop in Spain, where I met the fabulous Bridget Eertink, who is a wonderful felter, and she also makes gorgeous clothes. And her friend Manu was also there. Here you can see Manu.
So here I am with all the felting experts of Holland, and I'm in the most beautiful, beautiful place. In fact, I'm going to turn around. You can see there this gorgeous barn conversion, some geese flying over. Everywhere I look, even though it's grey and raining, it's just stunning. Look at the orchards. Holland is such a rich country in terms of their creativity, and oh my gosh, every house just seems to be laden with these beautiful quaint colours, and yeah, I love coming here. So this is this stunning barn, the little room, believe it or not, where we're staying, and the walls are just so divine. They're made out of straw. Oh, all the stonework, it's just heaven. For somebody who loves colour and lots of things, this minimalist, earthy tones are really rocking my boat. I think I may want to change, but you know, difference is beautiful because it is that. It's different. Isn't that exquisite? Okay, so I'm going to show you my little trick to keep arthritis away. So here we have some nettles. This is going to hurt a little bit. Just roll up my sleeve, and I'm just going to gently, hello nettles, just touch. Oh, typical, I can't feel the sting. What? Do these nettles not sting? And please, nettles, I need your sting. Ah, yes, you have a sting, thank you. Just a bit more sting. This is so weird, I can barely feel the sting. So I have in this joint, and in my fingers too, a lot of arthritis, but yeah, stinging nettle produces a, I think it's formic acid. It's like what comes out of ants and bees, and it makes your immune system suddenly kick into action, and it sends lots of blood flow to the hand, to this joint, which is maybe what I need, I don't know, but it's miraculous and it works. But what was really freaky then was I couldn't feel it stinging. I can feel it now, I'm just going to have one last little bit. Maybe you're a bit more ferocious. It's the hairs. Can you see the you know, the little hairs is where it stings. Ah, yes. That was a good one. I just want a bit more. Okay. And yeah, I can, strangely enough, I must have got the ends of my fingers because I can feel it in there. But in the days before I had arthritis, I couldn't do that. But now it's a really strange thing, but it's almost a beautiful sensation, and it will be almost I can't speak this morning. It will be almost automatic that my arthritis pain will dissolve a little bit. Anyway, I'll tell you how I get on with that. I'm just going to focus more again on where I am, because oh my gosh, look at that. These barns are just so beautiful. You can actually walk down here. It's strange to find hills in Holland. Look at the little barn. And the quintessential tulips. Hello cows. How are you this morning? The sun is trying to come out. So my hand now is quite red and it's tingling, and I'm just very grateful for this natural medicine.
And then, just like that, the joyful creative chatter came to an end and we departed. I went for another stay with Manu and her wonderful family and had a walk in the gorgeous Dutch countryside. Just being in nature fills your heart with joy. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to catch up with you again soon. See you back in the UK. And then it was time to go home, back to the airport in Cologne for a smooth transition through the airport. And I had the most wonderful encounter with the most gorgeous young man at a kiosk whilst buying water. I was fumbling around trying to pay, and I said, "Oh, sorry, I'm an old lady." And he says, "Madam, old age is not a disease. Never apologise. We are truly blessed when we reach old age." And what wisdom! It really made my day. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my little foray into Dutch felting in the beautiful Dutch countryside, and I hope you can join me for other felting adventures and felting tutorials. Please do like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, or if you're simply a beginner, check out my How to Felt right from the beginning. Take care, everybody, and happy felting. Bye!